This ostrich thought it entered a magical cave, but nope, it was just an elevator. And guess what? It panicked and hit its head in the buttons. The giraffe was craving ice cream, but oops, the truck was too short. No problem. Delivery by drone to the rescue. This baby elephant blew a bubble and whoosh, he floated up like a balloon. Even the birds were shocked. The lion just wanted a new mane style, but the monkey barber, he gave him rainbow curls. Jungle fashion gone wild. A penguin at a sunny beach? Yep, and to stay cool, he built an igloo out of cooler boxes. Genius.